144 keys Alice Rabbit MOA Profile Keycap Max Square, Thermal Sublimation Mechan. The 144 keys Alice Rabbit MOA Profile Keycap is a unique and stylish addition to any mechanical keyboard. The keycaps are made from high-quality PBT plastic and are double-shot molded, ensuring that they will last for years to come. The keycaps are also dye-sublimated, which means that the colors will not fade over time. The Alice Rabbit MOA Profile Keycap set features a unique Alice in Wonderland-inspired design. The keycaps are sculpted in a MOA profile, which is a hybrid of OEM and Cherry profile. This profile is said to be more comfortable for typing than other profiles. The keycaps are compatible with most MX-style mechanical switches. They are also compatible with a wide variety of keyboard layouts, including 60%, 65%, 75%, and full-size keyboards. If you are looking for a unique and stylish set of keycaps to upgrade your mechanical keyboard, the 144 keys Alice Rabbit MOA Profile Keycap is a great option. The keycaps are made from high-quality materials and are sure to last for years to come. They are also compatible with a wide variety of keyboards, so you can be sure that they will fit your keyboard.